So currently on my screen here, you can see me mining free USDT into my wallet. Okay, so this is actually free. You don't have to invest any amount of money here. All you have to do here is to just dedicate your time to watch this particular video. So you can see I have highlighted my USDT, which I am mining here for free. All right, so I'll be showing you everything, the withdrawal aspect, and of course I will withdraw an amount of USDT from this particular website in order for us to know the withdrawal method too as well. Alright, so I'll be showing you the hash powers, how it works, and how you can gain more without buying them, and how this miner can run faster for you to earn free USDT into your wallet. Actually, if today happens to be your first time coming across my channel or any video of mine, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, and leave a nice comment there in order for me to drop a nice content just like this. Alright, so as you scroll down here, you can see so many indicators on this platform here. So I'll be showing you everything here. Alright, so let's visit the withdrawal aspect, which is the most important. Most people want to know about that. Alright, so the withdrawal aspect goes with only faucet pay account. So I'll just withdraw my USDT into my faucet pay account. Currently here, let me visit my faucet pay account so that actually you can see my USDT. I have it out there. All right, so as I scroll into my USDT, you can see I am having only 0.000200. all right, 200, as we can see on the screen here. All right, so let me try to zoom in. All right, so you can see this is my USDT currently I am having on my screen here. All right, so let's go back to the website so that I can make a nice withdrawal out here. So the minimum withdrawal is 0.000001. All right, so I'll go on with a withdrawal. All right, 0.0000, let's say 2, let's say 3. All right, so I'm withdrawing 0.0003. Let's see if it exactly the minimum withdrawal. 1 2 3 5. Okay, so let me place a withdrawal here. So all I have to do here is to just go by the minimum withdrawal and just click on withdrawal, and you can see my withdrawal has been successfully went through out here. You can see my withdrawal has been successfully went through here. So let me go back to my faucet pay account and check if it has been withdrawn into my faucet pay accounts. All right, so let me go to the user dashboard to refresh this page. All right, so you can currently see here that free USDT has been added to my normal payment method, which was on the 24th March 2024. So let me scroll down and see my USDT. So you can currently see that my USDT has increased from the 200 to 500, as you can see here currently. All right, so I can continue to withdraw more. So I can continue to withdraw 0.1, and yet so of course I wasn't able to withdraw for next time. All right, so you can actually withdraw as many as you want, provided you are just exceed. You see I've already withdrawn another 0.001 USDT into my wallet, and as I go back to my faucet pay account, let me check it if it has been withdrawn here. All right, so let's scroll down. So you can see 0.1 has already been added to in addition, as you can see here. All right, so let's go to the TRS. All right, so you can see here to USDT I've added one in addition. This is very simple, guys. All you have to do here is to just dedicate your time to watch this particular video. So let me show you how it actually works on this particular platform here. All right, as soon as you just click on the link below the description, this is the overview of the website, or this is how the website is going to show on your mobile screen or on your desktop or laptop. This is how it's actually going to show you on your mobile phone. All right, so it says that I claim $200 every hour, and you can actually claim it as well. So I'll be showing everything here. So all you have to do here is to just copy and paste your TRC20 or BIP20 address, USDT address, into this particular website. So you can withdraw it to either Trust Wallet, Binance, or Faucet Pay account. But I initially used my Faucet Pay account to just did this particular video. All right, so go to your Faucet Pay account as I have my Faucet Pay account here. All right, go to the wallet and scroll down till you find the TRS USDT, TRC rather, to USDT. So you can see I have my amount of USDT still here. Go to the deposit and copy the deposit address here. You see it is copied out here. All right, so you go back to the website and then you paste it inside the space provided for you. But please note, I'm no way a financial advisor. I am just guiding you and taking you through how you can start making money online. In addition, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, and give me a nice comment. Check under the description. The link to this particular video or the link to this particular website can be found there. Click on that and it will take you here. In addition, the link to my WhatsApp and my Telegram group can be found under the description of this particular video. Alright, so just click on the start now and it's actually going to start for you. So you can see here that I am actually mining with 5 hash power as I've highlighted here. Right, I'm actually mining with 5 hash power here. In order for you to increase it, you just have to come here every hour, or you have to come here every 60 minutes. All right, every 60 minutes to claim this free 15 hash powers here. So as soon as I click on click here, it will generate another hash power for me. All right, it will generate another hash power for me here. Good. So you can see currently here my hash power has been increased to 20 hash power, which previously it was 5, and it has been increased. So you have been given 60 minutes from now for me to receive another hash power. So you can receive these hash powers for free. So you don't have to just buy any hash power here. And of course, I don't actually want my people to just invest or deposit any amount on any free website I will be showing on my channel here, because we are here to make money online. We are not to invest money online. All right, so this is the simplest way you can earn your free USDT. As you can see, mine is still mining, and I'll continue withdrawing from this particular website any day, anytime, whenever I want. As you scroll down here, you can see a whole lot of websites here. If you want to mine for Tron, you can visit the website. You can, if you want to mine for BTC, mining, BNB, matters, you can mine for Dogecoins and any of them. And there is a USD giveaway too. You can follow them on the, Twitter, and they'll also show you how it actually works. You can come down here to claim some free awards here by completing this task allocated here for you. All right, which will also help you to increase your power rates. Of course, it will also help your USDT to run at a higher speed for you out here. As you scroll at the top here, you can see buy power, and also you can refer friends. All right, whenever you click on the friends, a link will be generated for you to refer your friends in order for them to also join this particular website. You can withdraw deposits, reward, and also buy some power out here. And this is the simplest way you can make money online. I hope you found this particular video interesting. Kindly smash on the subscription button, like this video, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new content just like this. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.